Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert. I'm here at the Milwaukee headquarters with Caroline from Milwaukee. Hi there.
Hi.
I think we're going to talk about hole saws.
We are.
And we're going to make this super interesting because just like anything, when you're drilling or cutting, whatever it is, it's all about the accessories. And at Milwaukee, you have solutions for just about every material.
Absolutely. So we really pride ourselves on being a full solutions provider in the hole saw category. And that really starts with the bread and butter of our business, which is our BiMetal hole dozer hole saws. So we actually produce these in the USA down in Greenwood, Mississippi.
Love that.
We've been down there for 20 plus years and have invested heavily in our operations and continued innovation in the category. And really what a BiMetal hole saw is going to be your workhorse of your tool bag, right? It can do all of the general purpose applications from, PVC, things that are softer to cut, through to wood, even wood with nails, all the way to, mild steel as well. So it's really going to be the best general purpose hole cutting solution. We also have it in a number of different configurations for our consumers. So you can buy the hole saw itself. You could buy it with an arbor, which is great for anyone who may just have to make one or two holes.
Hole, right.
They've got the full solution. And then we also offer a wide variety of kits. So different sizes for different applications and different trades. And we really span the whole gamut of applications and things you're going to use these BiMetal hole saws
Now,
for.
the average person looking at the BiMetal blades, and then you compare it to your step-up, which is your Carbide, you probably wouldn't know just by looking at it.
Absolutely.
But there is a huge difference in what these tools with the Carbide teeth can do.
Absolutely, yeah. So while BiMetal is a great general purpose solution, if you're a pro who's going to be doing holes all day long or getting into more of those tougher applications, really that's when you're going to want to step up to Carbide. So it's going to give you the ability to cut longer in some of those easier applications like mild steel or nail embedded wood. But as you get into cast iron or stainless steel, more abrasive applications, that's really where you're going to see the benefit of Carbide. So expanding that material base, as well as being able to cut faster. We've got an aggressive tooth form on there for that reason, to be able to handle those tougher applications. And then as you can see across all of our hole saw range, we've got our all-access slots, which helps with the frustration of plug removal. So I'm sure you're very familiar with that, right? It's something
you're digging in there trying to get out of there, right?
You're trying to get that plug out, and we have holes all the way around the hole saw, which allows leverage points, wherever your plug is stuck into, that you can get into and get that plug out and continue moving on with your job.
So we've got BiMetal, we've got Carbide. Now we've got materials perhaps that are really hard, tile, granite, porcelain. You have solutions there as well.
Right, yeah. So very excited to talk about our Diamond Max diamond hole saws. So the diamond grit on these is really intended for exactly what you said, those tile cutting applications. So anything from ceramic, glass, all types of tile, even up into porcelain, which is extremely difficult to cut, even into more of those thicker materials like granite countertops, marble, really anything that you're having to drill into those harder stones, this is going to be your absolute best solution there. And as you can see, also has the all-access slots on there, and that diamond grit technology, which really allows you to get the job done as quickly as possible.
Hole saws, especially if you're someone that's working a lot where you got to drill multiple size holes, you've got some kits available and a way to keep it organized.
Yeah, absolutely. So we've got a number of kits that span lots of different diameters. So for the plumber, they're going to be using specific sizes of holes. The electrician, the remodeler, so we've got small piece count kits from 9 pieces all the way up to our 28 piece kit, which has 22 different diameters in it. So a wide variety of solutions for any consumer, whether they're a plumber, electrician, a remodeler, even a DIYer.
And finally, what about the warranty?
Yes, absolutely. So our BiMetal hole dozers, we proudly offer a limited lifetime tooth break warranty.
Oh, wow.
We are the only one on the market to do so. So if you have an application that you break a teeth on your hole saw, we're going to take it back, no questions asked. And that really just shows how much we stand behind our product, with durability really being the #1 end user need. That's super important, and we back that up with a limited lifetime tooth break warranty.
And that's what you want, right? You want to buy tools that you know are going to perform for you and have a company standing behind it.
Absolutely.
Caroline, thank you so much.
Thank you.
If you'd like more information, just go to acehardware.com, or better yet, stop by your local Ace Hardware store.